Have you ever noticed how a simple hello can brighten someone's day? It's like magic. Conversation is a gift, a way to connect with others and share our stories. Think about it. From catching up with friends to nailing that job interview, good conversation skills are key. They help us build relationships, share ideas, and even resolve conflicts. So, whether you're a social butterfly or a wallflower, remember this: everyone has something interesting to say. And the first step to unlocking those amazing conversations is simply starting one. Starting a conversation can feel scary, like jumping into a cold pool. You might feel a rush of anxiety, your heart might race, and you might even second-guess yourself. But don't worry, it gets easier. Once you take that first step, you'll find that most people are just as eager to connect. The trick is to find common ground, something you and the other person can talk about. This could be anything from a shared interest to a mutual acquaintance. Think about where you are and what's happening around you. Your surroundings can provide excellent conversation starters. Are you at a party? Look around and see if there's something or someone you can comment on. Ask, how do you know the host? This can open up a whole new conversation. Waiting for the bus? Comment on the weather. Wow, it's hot today. Or this rain is relentless, isn't it? These simple observations can lead to deeper discussions. Even a simple hi, how are you, can work wonders. It's a universal icebreaker that shows you're open to conversation. The key is to be genuine and show that you're interested in the other person. Ask follow-up questions and really listen to their answers. Remember, everyone likes to feel heard and valued. When you show genuine interest, it makes the other person feel important and appreciated, which can lead to a meaningful connection. So, take a deep breath, smile, and dive in. You'll be surprised at how quickly your nerves can turn into a pleasant conversation. Let's get real, folks. Sometimes we need a little help getting the conversation ball rolling. That's where classic conversation starters come in handy. Think of them as your trusty tools for breaking the ice. What are you reading? Is a great one for bookworms. Have you seen any good movies lately? Is perfect for film buffs. And hey, don't underestimate the power of a compliment. I love your shoes. Or you have a great laugh. Can instantly make someone feel good and open up. Just be sincere and avoid anything too personal. Hold on to your hats, because here's a secret. Conversation isn't just about what you say, it's about how you say it. Our bodies are like walking, talking billboards, sending messages even when our mouths are shut. Smiling, making eye contact, and uncrossing your arms all say, "Hey, I'm open and friendly." On the flip side, frowning, looking away, and crossing your arms scream, "Stay away." So next time you're chatting, pay attention to your posture. Relax, lean in a little, and show that you're engaged. Trust me, your body language can make or break a conversation. Section 5, listen up. The art of being a good listener. Here's the thing about conversations. They're a two-way street. It's not just about talking, it's about listening. Really listening to what the other person has to say. Put those phones away, folks. Make eye contact, nod your head, and show that you're paying attention. Ask follow-up questions, and resist the urge to interrupt with your own stories. Remember, everyone wants to feel heard and understood. By being a good listener, you're not just having a conversation, you're building a connection. And that's something truly special. Section 6, I can't talk to people. Conquering conversation fears. Let's be honest, talking to new people can be scary. It's a common fear that many of us share, and it's perfectly okay to feel this way. Our palms get sweaty, our hearts race, and we'd rather hide under a rock than make small talk. These physical reactions are just our body's way of responding to stress. But guess what? It's totally normal. Everyone experiences these feelings at some point. Everyone gets nervous sometimes, even celebrities like me. Shh, don't tell anyone. Yes, even those who seem confident on the outside have their moments of doubt. The key is to challenge those negative thoughts. It's about changing the narrative in your mind. Instead of thinking, "I'm going to sound stupid," tell yourself, "I have something valuable to share." Take baby steps. This shift in mindset can make a huge difference. Start with small interactions, like asking a cashier how their day is going. These little conversations can build your confidence over time. As you gain confidence, you'll be surprised by how much you enjoy connecting with others. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. Remember, every conversation is an opportunity to learn and grow. Embrace the challenge, and soon you'll find yourself looking forward to these interactions. So take a deep breath, believe in yourself, and step out of your comfort zone. You have the power to conquer your conversation fears. Section 7. Practice makes perfect, honing your conversation skills. Here's a little secret. Becoming a conversation superstar doesn't happen overnight. It takes practice, just like learning to ride a bike or play the ukulele. You wouldn't expect to master those skills in a day, right? The more you do it, the easier it gets. Each conversation is like a mini workout for your social muscles. Think of it like going to the conversational gym. Just as you would lift weights to build physical strength, challenge yourself to start one new conversation every day. It could be with a stranger at the coffee shop, a classmate you see in the hallway, or even someone you pass by regularly but never spoke to, or even a family member you haven't talked to in a while. Reconnecting with people can be incredibly rewarding. Remember, every conversation is a chance to learn and grow. Each interaction teaches you something new, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn. Mistakes are just stepping stones to improvement. The important thing is to keep practicing. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. And most importantly, have fun with it. Enjoy the process of connecting with others and watch your skills grow. Section 8. Go forth and converse. Congratulations, my friend. You've reached the end of this crash course on conversation. You've learned the importance of good communication, mastered some ice-breaking techniques, and even conquered your conversation fears. Now it's time to put your newfound skills into action. Get out there and start talking to people. You never know what amazing connections you might make or what incredible stories you might hear. Remember, conversation is a gift. Use it to spread joy, share ideas, and make the world a more connected and compassionate place. Go forth and converse.